from Platinum here in Bangkok, Thailand. We have made it for the second time this year. Today we're going to try and get some tickets for the train tomorrow or the day after. But first, time to get some breakfast here. This is at the mall, so it's not the cheapest option to get your breakfast here. But still have a little bit to walk, so we'll find something. One bottle of drinks is about $1.50. 35 baht is $1 US. Platinum Plaza where you can get some cheap clothes and stuff. Good. Drinks here are half price. Only 20 for a drink, so that's just over $50. It's not that busy yet, but it's a Monday. So. That's a long queue for food. Look, must be good. Taxis here aren't really expensive, as long as they use their meters. I have to ask for it. Look, 4 for 100 noodles. But it's really busy inside.
No.
Look, crowds of people. We are walking to the MRT right now, which I can see already. It's just too far to walk. That's a lot of people. Hot coins. Too bad. Next one. Let's wait.
Next station, Bang Yi Khan.
Public transport still wearing masks. Anywhere else, don't see half of the people doing it, so I tend to follow half of those. I'm always talking on stairs. It's pretty risky. That's an old bus. This will be the station where this one's shouting at me, buddy. This station is the station that runs trains to the River Kwai Bridge. Yes, the one from the movie and the war, of course. I'm going to get my ticket if everything's right, so I don't have to stress tomorrow or the day after in the morning, because the train leaves at around 8. I took public transport to this train station. I thought it was pretty fast, but it took me over an hour. So as I'm going back, there's a chair here, I'm going to use I think a motorcycle taxi. That's easier and way quicker and probably cheaper. Behind me, besides me, are wooden houses. Everywhere here. Bangkok still has a huge amount of wooden houses tucked away everywhere. Yep, it's raining. That's not good. I need a train that goes to at least Bangkok, if I'm not mistaken. I think it's this one. It's 1 hour of struggle, but train tickets are sold on a daily basis, so I can only buy my ticket tomorrow morning before departure. And now I'm stuck under an umbrella because it started raining. railway crossing here. Oh, that's the one I saw earlier.
ไปไปยางเล่น
That was pretty close. That was worthwhile waiting. I don't mind getting wet a little bit now. I think there's a fruit stall over there. Could you please dive down a little bit? I can make it. Sure I can make it. Yeah, I have to get out here. That lady is unfazed by what's happening around her. Damn it, there's no lightning, just the thunder. I will see the lightning. Those are soaking wet tourists. I survived that thunderstorm, very violent and short thunderstorm. Slightly wet, but now I'm going to walk really quickly to the MRT station. The MRT station. Hope I'll make it. I'm dry. I'm halfway point again. Still, I will get wet though. I have to go there across the tracks. Can't run that. Let's go. No train coming. No train coming. No, maybe yes. Oops. That's okay. Whew. Oh, that's a lot of water. It's so wet. There's the sun again. Got some soy milk. I'm going to walk to the river over there. This area used to be a real touristy area, but all the entrances to the water are closed, to the waterfront walk. Boarded up actually, and they call it the renovation with an N, not an N.
Ja, en omdat dat een beetje.
This one's old. Riveted together. Not as old as this bridge though. Not as far as the bridge I walked in Taipei a few weeks ago. During rain as well. Oh look. I have a pretty nice view over parts of Bangkok from here. Oh, it's a little bit shaky. But right over there, the white building, the one, that's a fortress. That's a cute little shrine. Now it stopped raining. It's of course very humid, but really deterred by it. I'm deterred by things I see ahead. Pigeons on the road and stairs. Pigeons aren't going anywhere though. More boats, more piers. A broken one, sunken one. That river there is the Chao Phraya river. It runs through Bangkok. That's the temple. There's the temple. There's the fortress. Little oasis, little green area here. U-turn isn't really used here. So peaceful and quiet here. It's in the heart of Bangkok, but you wouldn't tell probably. Yeah, that's sweating. Really humid without a little bit of wind here. Could take a rest. Royal Thai Navy. I don't know, can we go there or not? If we can. Let's cross first. Yeah, have to go there. I'm going to put down my camera. I'm going to film military objects. I think I should go inside, but that's not really how it works. I assume. That guy's making a traffic jam. Look.